Looking for the perfect Halloween cocktails? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to a magical journey where the ordinary becomes extraordinary as we delve into the realm of 6 unique Halloween-themed potions. We promise these concoctions are so exciting they'll bewitch your senses and make your Halloween party an unforgettable one. Stay tuned as we dive into the first of our 6 enchanting brews. First up on our spectral list is the Witch's Brew cocktail. This enchanted elixir is conjured from the depths of a sorceress's cauldron, promising to cast a spell over your senses. Its mesmerizing blend of flavors is a secret as old as the hills, known only to the craftiest of witches. But be forewarned, a sip may cause sudden outbursts of cackling laughter. Now let's glide over to our next hauntingly good cocktail, the Ghostly White Russian. This is a spectral favorite, enjoyed by phantoms far and wide. With its creamy swirls and potent kick, it's a drink that truly embodies the spirit of Halloween. The vodka might have you convinced you're floating, but don't be alarmed, it's just the ghostly goodness playing tricks on you. But don't float away just yet, we've got more hauntingly good drinks to uncover. Next, we have a drink straight from Dracula's cellar, the Blood Red Punch. This mocktail is a chilling blend of tangy, sweet, and refreshingly cold. It's like sipping on liquid rubies with a zing that'll make your taste buds dance. Don't worry, this thirst-quenching delight is far less bitey than its namesake. It's the perfect concoction to keep the party going without the heady effects of alcohol. Now let's turn our attention to a drink even the pickiest of goblins can't resist, the Goblin's Delight. This tangy treat is an explosion of citrusy goodness balanced with just the right amount of sweetness. Every sip is like biting into a fresh, juicy fruit, but with a twist. And remember, no goblins were harmed in the making of this drink. It's purely the result of human ingenuity and a love for tasty mocktails. We're not done with our Halloween bash just yet, there's more to come. As we near midnight, it's time for the Midnight Margarita. This cocktail is a moonlit marvel, a fusion of zesty lime and smooth tequila, best enjoyed under a full moon. Now let's transition to the Phantom Punch. It's a chilling, non-alcoholic concoction with a whisper of fruitiness that'll leave you questioning. Did that glass just move? Its unique blend offers a spooky twist on a classic punch. And with that, we've sampled our way through 6 of the best Halloween cocktails and mocktails. From the Witch's Brew cocktail to the Phantom Punch, we've embarked on a truly haunting journey. We've savored sorceress's potions, phantom's tipples, Dracula's stash, Goblin delights, and moonlit margaritas. Don't be a ghoul, try these cocktails and mocktails at your next Halloween party. Until next time, drink responsibly and have a spooktacular Halloween.